My name is Kirti. You know what, guys? I always scared of maths. I thought I'm not able to pass maths in 10th. But वो होता ना डूबते को तिगड़े का सहारा. My best friend suggested me about Nitin coaching classes, and I went there and I took my first class in Nitin coaching classes, and I thought if anyone could teach me maths, it's only Nitin sir. No one can teach me maths, but Nitin sir can. Since then I started working very hard. I gave my 100% in maths. But Nitin sir always done 200% hard work on students. One last thing I would like to say that fear in my mind about maths was gone, was over, and maths became my favorite subject. And you can't imagine, guys, now I'm a BCA student. Thank you so much, Nitin sir. Thank you so much, Nitin coaching classes.
हेलो गाइस, मैंने साल 2019 के अंदर एनसीसी से क्लास 10th पास की। एनसीसी मतलब नितिन कोचिंग क्लासेस। वहाँ पर बहुत शानदार एक्सपीरियंस मेरा रहा, क्योंकि मैं वाकई बहुत लकी था जो मुझे एनसीसी के अंदर जाने का मौका मिला। क्योंकि वहाँ पर जो मेरे मार्क्स थे वो मैथ्स में 98 मार्क्स आए थे, और ये मेरे लिए एक अलग ही अनुभव था, क्योंकि मेरे आज से पहले मैथ्स में तक काफी इतने नंबर कभी नहीं आए थे। और जब मैं वहाँ गया तो मैंने देखा मेरे अंदर एक इम्प्रूवमेंट आया था। और वहाँ पर कभी आपको पढ़ाई के अंदर प्रेशर में आके बिल्कुल भी नहीं दिया जाता था। वहाँ पर आपको ग्राउंड में ले जाकर कभी क्रिकेट, कभी बास्केटबॉल, कभी फुटबॉल ये सब खिलाए जाते थे। तो ऐसा नहीं कि कभी मतलब हर दिन आपके पास केवल बस पढ़ाई कराई जाए, तो ऐसा प्रेशर तो आपके पास बिल्कुल भी आने नहीं दिया जाता था। तो ये तो कोई रीजन नहीं बनता। तो इस वजह से मेरा एक्सपीरियंस तो इन सब कांडों से बहुत शानदार रहा, और मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि जब आप एनसीसी के अंदर आएंगे तो आप भी खुद में एक इम्प्रूवमेंट महसूस करेंगे। थैंक यू।
Hello, oh dear fellow students. My name is Manish Thakur. Today I am going to tell you about my success story, that how I achieved 90 plus marks in maths. Just like all students, I used to think that maths is a typical subject. But later, one day I saw a banner of Nitin coaching classes. Its tagline says that a complete solution of maths fear. I attracted with this tagline. Later, I decided to join Nitin coaching classes. In Nitin coaching classes, teachers work on the weak points of the students. They provide easy notes to students. They used to take personal attention on the progress of each and every student. For this, they arrange every Sunday exam test. All these helped me to get 100 marks in 10th standard and 94 marks in 12th standard. Because of their effort, every year many students overcome from their fear and scored best. I would like to thank my parents and their Nitin sir. Because of you and your timely motivation sessions, I achieved my success. On my personal basis, I want to suggest the students who have same fear or students who want to achieve great marks in maths, please join Nitin coaching classes for an unbelievable result.
Hi guys, myself Rakshita Kanwar. I am the student of NCC. I got 99% marks in maths. Its credit goes to my great teacher, the Nitin sir. Through his great efforts, every student got best marks in maths. Nitin sir also helped weak students through his motivation and support all the students. There was a gap between 3 months. At that time, he started taking online classes for the students and sharing their videos on YouTube. He made all the efforts for every student. His method of teaching is very marvelous. He was a great teacher. Thank you, Nitin sir, for supporting me in this way. Thank you, Nitin sir and NCC. Thank you so much.
Hey everyone, myself Harshita, and I had just passed my 10th board with a great achievement. I had scored 91% in CBSE board exam, and the secret behind my success is Nitin coaching classes. I had been studying there since 3 years. Maths was seen to be tough for me, like every student, but as soon as I joined NCC, maths was so easy. Not only maths, but even other subjects too. The tagline of NCC, that is, a complete solution to maths fear, is really worth it. The staff there is so experienced in teaching. They are so supportive and encouraging. This institute provides you with the best study material. They arranges extra classes if needed by any of the students. You will find best facilities here. The biggest contribution in my success is of Nitin sir. He is not only a great teacher but a great person. He is very supportive and motivating. He is very dedicated towards his job. He always gives 100% in his teaching. That's why he is a great teacher and the students studying there become successful like me. Because of his guidance, I am here. So thank you NCC for believing in me and for making me stand on this height of success. On my last note, I would like to suggest everyone to visit in Nitin coaching classes for attaining great achievements. Thank you.
Hey everyone, myself Natasha Kanwar. I passed 10th class in 2016 and 17 in which I scored 88 marks out of 100 in math. I would like to give full credit to NCC because I had a math phobia but I get these marks because of Nitin sir and NCC, and then maths become my favorite subject. Thank you so much sir.
Myself Aish. I passed out 10th class in year 2016-17 in which I obtained 99 marks out of 100 in maths. And I would like to give full credit to Nitin sir and NCC. NCC is the best coaching ever. Like other students, I also was afraid of maths, but ever since I started going to NCC, I am not afraid of maths. Nitin sir teaches outstanding. He grabs weak points of students and teaches them very well. I sincerely thanks to Nitin sir and NCC for my great success. Thank you.